A rotary evaporator is a device used for gentle removal of solvents from solutions by evaporation. This device operates at an elevated temperature and reduced pressure. The reduced pressure results in a lowering of the solvent's boiling point temperature, which speeds the evaporation process. Rotary evaporation is commonly used to separate low boiling solvents from compounds which are solid or liquid at room temperature and pressure. In the case of removing solvent from a liquid compound, there should be a significant difference in boiling points and minimal azeotropic behavior so that the desired compound is not accidentally lost to evaporation. The rotary evaporator contains a vacuum line to reduce the pressure of the entire system, a hot water bath to heat the solution, a bump trap to prevent your material from entering the rotary evaporator, a rotary motor to spin your flask and create more surface area for rapid evaporation, a cooled condenser to condense the solvent vapors, and a receiver to collect the condensed solvent. Use a round bottom flask that is no more than half full of solution. Be sure to label the flask with your initials. Cap the flask and carefully carry it to the rotary evaporator along with a cork ring. To begin, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the water bath and set it to about 30 degrees Celsius. Turn on the circulating water to cool the condenser. Secure your flask to the rotary shaft using a keck clip. Turn on the main vacuum valve and slowly close the air inlet until you can no longer hear whistling. Begin turning the flask slowly. The rotation of the flask suppresses bumping, an effect where the solution is rapidly expelled into the rotary evaporator and results in material loss. Lower the flask into the water bath until the solution is submerged. Then, wait until all of the solvent has been removed. This is typically when the solution becomes viscous and sticks to the walls of the flask. To remove the flask, first raise the flask out of the water bath. Next, slowly open the air inlet to release the vacuum and turn off the main vacuum valve. Halt the rotation and carefully remove the flask. If you are the last person to use the machine, turn off the circulating water, the water bath, and the main power switch.